Here at R&H Engineering, you can have your truck modified or your bare chassis custom built to a range of different options. Here's what we're doing to create a tipper truck, complete with hydraulic tipper and drop sides for easy offloading. First, we start with a bare chassis, and then the transformation begins. But before we build anything, the design team will design everything to the customer's specs, and this is where the magic starts. So here we have the bare chassis. Over here, we have the work in progress. So we've started making the subframe. We've chopped the chassis down to accommodate the client's length that he requires for his deck. We've added the mudguard bracket, the headboard. So the next stage is we're going to fabricate the toolbox. So it's going to be situated in here, client size. We're going to be adding the deck plates. We'll be adding in the hydraulics. And then we'll be doing the drop sides. Then we'll give it a lick of paint and she'll be good to go. Our trucks come out beautifully fabricated, either in a silver hot dip galvanized finish or a durable coating for protection. The trucks are also signed off by an engineer, so they are safe for you to use on the road. The build process takes approximately 5 to 6 weeks, depending on the client's needs. If you'd like your truck modified or custom built, come and see us at R&H Engineering. We'd love to work with you.